The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. If you're interested in finding out more about it or enrolling, click the link below. Roll it! Okay, in this class, I'm going to use a specific brand called Revolve as an example of brilliant marketing using social media. Revolve is a Los Angeles-based multi-billion-dollar fashion brand known for its enterprising influencer marketing strategy. Now, Revolve might be best known for its Instagram presence and Coachella parties, but there's much more about this company. This brand began working in 2009 before Instagram even launched. And it has created one of the most sophisticated influencer marketing machines in the industry. Revolve's network is made up of about 3,500 influencers, and it includes people like Amy Song, who has 5 million Instagram followers, and Olivia Culpo, who has 4 million followers. So what Revolve does is they take these influencers on exotic trips and document themselves in Revolve's merchandise for the brand's channels and their own. Each influencer is managed and tracked by way of a proprietary internal technology platform which keeps track of each influencer's following and engagement and sales. We're talking about marketing, right? So let's say that Revolve notices a trend. And for the purpose of this exercise, let's say that it's yoga, just for example. Everybody's doing yoga, so let's do a yoga wear. So if Revolve says, let's do a line of yoga wear, marketing and market research would ask a question. Who is going to wear this product? What features and styling should be included? And then the number of customers, and where and how they prefer to shop, and at what price points, and what other companies are manufacturing yoga wear. Now that we know all that information, we can then design a collection to fit that need. Look, let's face it, do you really need another t-shirt? No. And yet people buy t-shirts every day. That t-shirt fills a need. It satisfies a need. Maybe not necessarily physical need, you don't need a t-shirt, but maybe it's an emotional need. Maybe it's the fabric or the color, or maybe it's the style. Whatever that is, it makes you feel good. If your item, if your product creates an emotional response, you have a winner. So I mentioned proprietary technology. Well, what does that mean? What is that? Meaning that you develop your own software to use for internal functions. In other words, if you look at your marketing strategy and analyze and create systems that will help you predict the potential sales of a product, it will give you an advantage over your competition. So that's how Revolve went from a small company in California to a multi-billion-dollar global giant. If I had to summarize their formula in one word, I would say it's fun. All their models and their images projected by Revolve on social media represent the emotion of fun. People want to have fun and experience joy. I think we all do, right? It's human nature to be happy. So see how you can infuse that emotion in your advertising campaign. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.